please subscribe to my channel. I bring you a good video about the motorcycle.